not in all details, but we are very close to that. Imaging techniques like magnetic resonance methods allow us to look into the brain during the actual thinking process. With the help of this method, we are able to detect local changes in the blood flow, changes in the brain metabolism. And of particular interest here is which areas become active and how different brain region works together. One challenge in this context is to achieve highly resolved images. That means to get precise, sharp, fast images of the processes taking place in the brain during thinking. Here we still have some limitations, but we are working on solutions to overcome these limits.
To achieve this, 2 teams of scientists from different institutions cooperate with the same goal: to improve brain imaging and our understanding of how the brain works. This should help make the diagnosis and therapy of brain diseases more successful in the future. Suzanne Boretius and her team are particularly engaged in technical developments and optimizations of MRI and its application on experimental animals. Application of MRI technology on patients is the focus of Roberto Goya-Maldonado and his team.
One advantage of the interdisciplinary cooperation is the very important complement. While one working group is more interested in the basic physical and biochemical principles, the other working group is focused on the function of the brain from a neuropsychological perspective, with the evaluation of various aspects of cognition, for instance.
A lot of mathematics and physics is behind the challenge of making brain imaging more detailed and to allow more rapid visualization of processes in our brain. The scientists in the group of Suzanne Boretius are working on improvements in so-called image reconstruction algorithms and are utilizing new types of contrast mechanisms. The new methods are tested on monkeys before going on to studies with human beings. These methods should contribute to a better understanding of the human brain and of human thinking and behavior.
Today we have a lot of data, but honestly speaking, we still not understand very much the processes in the healthy and diseased brain. And our group deals with a broad range of basic scientific questions here, but ultimately the answer may help to treat psychiatric diseases, may help to improve cognitive abilities and may help to maintain these abilities into old age.
Starting from the image of healthy, optimally functioning brains, the aim is to carry out comparisons with the patient's brain. Here, we can identify alterations related to the disorder and localize the affected brain networks. A detailed series of tests is necessary until the scientists around Roberto Goya-Maldonado recognize brain regions that are pathologically altered. The new imaging procedures should improve therapy in the future. Goya-Maldonado attempts to develop protocols using imaging to treat affected regions in the brain. He hopes to recommend the best therapeutic option for each individual patient, based on individual brain imaging patterns.
Only through a better understanding of the complex architecture and functional organization of the brain, we will be able to develop more and more effective therapies in psychiatry. MRT has proven to be the right method to support this development.